Welcome to the preview of Lab Designer for Azure. We start by drag and drop of desired Azure components, starting with the VNet. We configure the desired IP range and region. We drag in the subnet component and connect with the VNet. At this point, default values can be adjusted. Now we drag on the domain controller component and connect with the subnet. You can configure the name IP address, which is automatically suggested based on the subnet connected to. Since it's a domain controller, only static IP address is offered. You can continue to choose the size of the VM and Active Directory name. Next, you can also drag in member servers and connect them to the subnet, which can be automatically joined to the domain during build. You are offered choice for the size of the VM. For network, you can choose to have the default of the DHCP or choose the manual IP address configuration. At this point, it is important to ensure that you specify the correct domain for member servers to join. Once everything is configured, the tool offers a network validation to ensure you did not enter any IP addresses outside of the VNet ranges. You can also preserve this topology for later edits using the Save option. Once you are ready, you can deploy this easily. You need to download the .bicep file. You can either deploy this directly via the Azure Cloud Shell or use the AZ commands. Either of the options works. You can also use any agent to deploy this .bicep file. Remember, you can always load your previous configuration files for reviewing or adjust the configurations for another lab. Hope you enjoyed the demo.